Hello, welcome to my channel. So this is me 2 weeks ago before using rice water and onion water on my hair. What I did was I parted my hair in two, used rice water and onion water on one side and only rice water on the other side, just to see if there's a difference in the way they impact our hair, if there's a difference in texture or a difference in the rate of growth. And this is me 2 weeks after. This is the last day of this treatment. Before we go on, please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, there's a bell by the side. Just click on the bell so that whenever new videos come up, you'll be notified. Now, I made my rice water and I allowed it to ferment for 3 days. After that, I divided the water into one. I put in some onion juice and left the other plain. I applied the one with the onion juice on the right part of my hair, the right side of my hair, and applied the plain rice water on the left part of my hair. Why I decided to do this was that I saw a video by Debbie Williams where she was talking about how good rice water and onion water is for the hair. Now, I've used onion juice on its own for my hair before, and also used rice water on its own on my hair before. So I just said, okay, let me do this side by side and see if there'll be any significant difference in the texture of the hair and in the rate of growth. Now, for growth in 2 weeks, I'm not expecting to see any significant growth, but let's see. We'll see how it goes. So what I did was I just applied it. When I applied the rice water, I massaged it. Guys, you know that this rice water smells, so prepare for that. It's going to smell because I allowed it to ferment for up to 3 days. But if you do it for just 24 hours, I don't think it will smell as much as this. It will definitely not smell as much as this. So this is the rice water and onion juice mix. Guys, I forgot to mention that I'm currently transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair. So that's why my hair just looks a big mess. I'm just I think a week shy of being 6 months post relaxer. So just forgive how the hair looks. It is a mess, I know. So just apply the onion juice mix and rice water mix just the same way I applied the rice water. Just generously to the scalp and a little to the strands. After applying this mix to the whole hair, now I'm going to massage it properly for about 3 minutes. Sometimes I do up to 5 minutes if I have the time, but today I'm in a hurry, so just 3 minutes is fine for me for now. So after that, I applied a deep conditioner on my hair. What I used was the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. Now, remember at the beginning of the video, I took out some of my hair from on the sides to just see. Now, if you can see that there's some growth, there's definitely some growth from 2 weeks ago. But the thing is, the texture of the hair was the same. The part with the rice water only and the side with the onion water and rice water were the same. The texture was the same. Nothing significant, no significant difference. And even the growth was about the same. It's that the parts with the rice water and the onion water had was just slightly longer than the part with just plain rice water. Now, the mistake I made was not measuring the hair before I started. But even without the measurement, I can see that there's a slight difference. Now, I'll deep condition my hair. I just covered the hair with I'm recycling a nylon bag. Normally, I rinse out the rice water before deep conditioning the hair, but today I don't have time. I'm really in a hurry. I'm trying to pick my kids from school, and I just said if I don't film this video today, I'm most likely going to Big Chop without doing this. So that's why I did it now. After 30 minutes, I washed off the deep conditioner. So this is how my hair looks without any product in it. Oh man, the natural hair oil is making my hair, making the tips of my hair look so dead. I can't wait to Big Chop. So now this is the part I took out, part of the part I took out earlier 2 weeks ago. And like I said, I saw a little difference in the way the growth of the hair was, but in the texture there was no difference. I don't know if you can tell if there's a difference in the growth, if you can tell just from this video. But you know what? I want to know, has anybody tried this? If you have tried it, how was your result? You know that we are all different as human beings. So what works for one person might not work for the other. The experiences of one person might not be the experiences of the other people. So it would be nice for you to leave your comments. Let me know if you've tried this. Let me know if you're going to try this. As for the smell, don't worry. When you wash your hair properly, the smell is going to go. I just realized, okay, I did not tell you how to prepare the onion juice. What you have to do is just get an onion, blend it, and squeeze out the juice. Please don't mix it in the right water with the pulp. If not, you're going to have pieces in your hair and getting it out will be difficult. So yeah, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've tried this, please let me know. If you're going to try it out, please let me know your results when you try this. I'm interested. I would like to know it for anybody who does it longer. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.